I go call one bros when get bakery because this bread matter now want discuss today for market trends for this market report. Like I talk, I not happy at all. Yes, because I enter market see the prices of things. Even the ones when I dey read for paper when I dey see say for television, it entire me scatter. Ma I call this bros. Oh. Ma I call her because the guy get bakery. Make he follow us talk on top of this matter, this bread matter because not be small thing. I pray make you pick. I make it dey free. Hello,
Hello,
bros.
Alpha.
Yeah, morning, sir.
Alpha.
I bet your radio kill am kpata oga take go beg you. I'm not smiling no.
I don't kill him. I don't kill him.
Better move just talk like this now. So I beg if you not mind, wetin be your name, boss?
My name is Jeremiah.
Okay. Okay, from all that I know, you get bakery, abi?
Yes, sir.
In fact, yesterday I want to appreciate you for the bread when you carry when you say me the same call give me for office. So I appreciate you. If information means I say thank you so much, and even Swasef say thank you. We
Okay.
in fact we share the bread round for where we dey stay. Make it not be like say make people still eat because things are hard. I beg.
I understand.
I beg. Tell us the real matter for this bread matter. For this bread when they say bread don't go up, a bit it go up because some bakery say they go kukuma close themselves. Go ahead, sir.
That's a sir. You test my bread yesterday, Abi.
Yeah.
To make bread be like that standard by godly mind, not by business.
Are you serious? To make the bread taste that standard and quality?
Now godly no be business. Because if you want to do business now in bread business, if you want to do business now, say you want to supply bread now, or you want to do bread now and make money, you will do rubbish.
Okay. Wow.
I'm telling you. So to make the bread help that taste is so that by godly mind.
Not be
because
business
you know
mind.
Why are they,
yeah.
Yes. Why are they talk so be say that's a start. In bread business we buy things high every day.
Okay.
You buy something 100 naira today, where you go tomorrow is 300 naira.
Wow.
As I'm talking to you now, that's a start. What I they buy 5,000 naira before Corona, I'm buying it now for 18,500.
You say what?
What I they buy 5,000 naira before Corona. And they buy it now for 18,500 naira.
Butter from 5,000 plus to 18,000.
15 kg, 15 kg. And as I told you, I buy that butter last week. If you come market now, you know go be the same price.
Wonderful.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
I'm telling you. Just day before yesterday, they don't put. Now I buy flour. We buy flour to the 1,000. Last week they put 800 naira. It come be 21,800. I want buy this week now. They don't put 1,200 naira again. It come be 23,000 naira.
Are you serious?
So every day we buy things for producing bread. Everything go up in daily basis.
Wonderful.
Daily basis. So we are not doing bread now to make profit, but we are just trying to stay in business.
Okay.
We are just trying to stay in because if it goes out of the business to come back may be difficult.
Yeah.
That is why we are trying to stay because if you want to do to make money, you will do rubbish because when you business goes this way. When you buy 100 naira, you sell 120.
Yeah, to
when
make
you go
gain.
market today, you buy 100 naira, you sell 120. For this time you buy 100 naira, you sell 120. You want to go buy there, you now buy 250.
Jesus Christ.
It's so no more business. It's no longer business.
Okay.
So it's difficult now that we don't know what to do because if you don't try to stay in the business, you will shut down. And when you shut down, coming back will be so difficult.
Okay.
Because things are going up in daily basis.
So how you dey cope with the diesel problem now when you dey run your?
That is that. If you go to pump to buy diesel with 50, when you buy finish calculate, you go know you are buying this for 750 naira. Are you getting me?
Yeah, of course.
If you want to go buy diesel, you see for pump price 650. But when you buy out finish, you understand that you are buying this for 750 naira.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Wow.
And we burn this every day. Never know they give us light. That one you already know now you are in the country.
Okay, so how many hours in a day you dey run your diesel at a stretch?
I burn this for at least 5 hours in a day.
Wow.
Yeah, if I start the rest of by 8 o'clock in the morning, we off it by that around 4 5 in the evening. So if you check, I think is more than what I even say.
Of course, now it's day far more than what you even talk now.
So and it's daily basis.
Yeah.
In daily basis, we do that.
Okay.
So things are very high now for bread in the market. Okay, east where we used to buy 11,000 naira before. But we are buying it now for 21,500.
Okay.
A carton of yeast. So it's tough.
Yeah. Okay, no wala. I go allow other people talk. I go call you back if need be. Thank you so much, and God bless you again for the bread when you sent contact yesterday. Thank you.
Yeah. No problem, sir. Right, I visit everybody.
No wala. If you dey sell bread, if you dey buy bread, if you dey hawk bread, if you dey produce bread, if you get bakery, anyone when you be for inside, just let us know. This bread business, this problem when they ground now for inside market, because it don't tire me, not be small thing. Before they go say, if person not be chop rice, chop chicken, if you cook chop bread and mineral, and you will be fine. With just 15 naira that time, you can chop something, even at least 100 naira or 200 kwata. But now, I not understand.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Morning, talk to me sharply.
Emmanuel calling from Sule.
Go ahead, sir.
This bread matter, don't too much, ratata. Can you imagine bread why they buy 350 before? Now 550 they buy am.
From 250 to 580. 50.
I dey tell you serious. Even this morning I go price am the same thing. I bet make our government make them do something. The thing don't too much.
From 250 to 550.
Ratata, the thing tire me.
My name is Christiana from Itire.
Talk to us, Christiana. Your radio will keep the volume pata so that we will not disturb ourselves.
Okay. Bread where they buy 150 before, now 250 now. Bread where we they buy 500 before, now 750 now. We don't eat bread again. I don't know where we are going.
Okay,
My name is Immaculata. I always want to check my every day. No, they connected.
Now you don't connect. Talk to us.
I said things don't have to people. I like this. I wonder. They pay one of my count 3,000 naira. Say now I know if I don't think I had that 3,000 naira could they buy the bread. Everything don't add. When you go 3,000 naira where the count for now 4,000 something.
Wow.
Nothing comes in my pocket more than to ask my own something. So everything they had cost for market.
Chai.
Ratata, good morning.
In fact, this morning, the only thing good about the morning is that God is alive.
Yes, it's true. And anyhow it is. Thank God this around Monday follow the yarn.
Go ahead.
And I'm happy to follow it up because I'm a pure water producer.
Okay.
So the cost of things now in the market is very high. That is why you see everybody increase the price of everything every day.
Yeah.
Like we in the pure water industry.
Yeah.
Before, if you buy the 30 kg of roe, you can see something out of it. Before 1 kg, you even 30 micron, you can see normal 33 bags. But now, it's very rare before you can see 28 bags of it. And that was 1 kg is 1,750 naira now. Before we used to buy it 450, 700.
Okay.
So now we run the diesel every day by day. At least diesel now is 750. We are running 24 hours.
24 hours.
Yes.
And my God.
They rent with a person like me. I rent the factory. Hey. And the owner of the factory, he give me $500,000 in every year, and every year he's planning to increase the price now. So all those things we join together into the cost of maintaining the vehicle now to take the product out is very costly.
Yeah.
So all those things join together. That is why you see. In fact, we are not making any gain now. To tell you the truth, we are not making any gain. So we just try to maintain in the business.
I wanna get family to feed and take care of.
I have a person like me. I have 3 kids and they stay in school. So I try to feed them, and I don't have any other job anywhere apart from this.
Yeah.
So government needs to really help us if they want us to stay in this business.
Okay.
Well done, sir.
Thank you so much. Somebody all the way from UK, he said, greetings, Ogara. He said the war in Ukraine is affecting the cost of wheat. He said Ukraine and Russia are the largest exporter of wheat used to make flour. The war has stopped Ukraine from producing wheat. Okay, now what did this bro stock for here, right? Okay, let me see. Okay, all the way from he said Sarah from Auguste. He said, good morning, my dear brother. I don't know where we are going to. The bread that we normally buy for 300 naira is now 600 to 700 naira. And the worst part is that they have reduced the quality. The quality go there affected.
Yes, now.
Abi?
Everything.
It go there affected.
Because if you dey buy butter now for that amount, that 18,000 naira, now me go come use they do the bread. I go make sure say I go fit manage that butter, do two batches.
People when they produce shishi, when they put egg, they put butter.
They don't go put egg again. They don't put egg again. Even that milk sef,
they go reduce the milk.
They go look for flavor. I get one flavor wey be milk flavor. Go put inside so that you go dey send am. You no go test am.
He said the worst part is that they have reduced quality. It's no more quality as before, and it's so expensive. My problem is, why is it our country, Nigeria, whenever things go high, they will not reduce? I beg. He said when things go high, he said they will not come down. No, the quality of things. My God.
My name is Michael Ogwejofor. I'm calling from Enugu.
Mr. All the way from Enugu, Mr. Michael, go ahead. I be for that side.
Bread in our wahala.
Eh?
Wahala. For us to get bread now, bread where we use buy 250 now 500 naira.
250.
Hey, Oga.
I don't know what is happening. And that bread matter itself now no be anything to compare with that of water.
You see,
people where they produce water now don't go strike.
They don't go strike.
In the street self, hungry, they thirsty.
Yeah.
To work out under the sun, they no go see water buy again. Pure water 20 naira, 25 naira. For Enugu now.
Are you sure for Enugu now?
When they talk about that one, what about people? No feel work again now. Transporters now. Before COVID-19, then they sell tickets. 4,500, 5,500.
Yeah.
After COVID, because of social distancing, they increased them to 10,000 naira. They don't feel condoms since then, no.
It did like that.
They increase them to 12,000, 13,000.
Okay,
people don't feel work again. Fuel they say for Lagos 165 naira for now. You come to Enugu now 230 naira.
Are you talking?
They tell you make you work. Once you cross Naija bridge now, you know go get fuel anything less than 200 and.
Okay, name.
They tell you, plenty things they happen for Naija.
Wow.
This one now 720 naira, 750 naira. Yeah, transporter.
Hey.
They don't give drivers anything to say, okay, we'll make una take this one, enter, take biogas for people. If they work out travel for road. Plenty things there for Naija. No be only water, no be only bread. Many things they happen. People are suffering.
God.
I don't know the kind of government where they don't put Nigerians into mess.
Somebody say this morning, he say he use rice to drink tea. He said because if he buy bread, he not go reach he and his children. Ma call am, may tell us so. You can see the way things don't turn out on. Somebody they use rice, they drink tea because of the way things be. He said she used rice. Mommy Peace from Egbeda. He said she used rice to drink tea. Ma call am. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
You say you use tea to drink bread? Sorry, you use rice.
Exactly.
Are you serious?
No. When the children are going to school this morning, so they ate rice on Sunday, ate rice on yesterday. Today again, rice na easy. So I say make nourish small.
Hey, yeah.
I have to do tea.
Sure.
You need to serve them, and they ate it.
So you can't get the rice and tea.
Rice and tea because bread is too cost.
My
if I
God.
go buy bread, you don't go reach them.
Okay,
so I have to boil rice and use it to serve them.
My tea. God. How many children you get?
There are 4.
You see? Wonderful. So to buy bread now na problem because the bread not go round.
In fact, it not go round.
Hey, yeah.
So I have to use tea.
You have to use rice. Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. God will help us.
We not there, yes, so a mother. You see, say bread. You say they not fit buy bread. Bread cannot go through. Cannot go round herself.
Can't go round though.
And the 4 children.
So
and they need to go school.
Make them shop belle full.
Make their belly full. Then she come and boil rice. Put join the tea.
because you know say dem chop rice Sunday.
Dem chop rice yesterday. Now dem suppose eat bread and tea now.
Because carbohydrate.
But now dem no buy bread.
Say make she just make am as they fit take am.
Now she go still cook the rice again, boil am, give dem the rice, put tea join am. Hey, man.